Yeah, family. This is Chubskit, Rose's daughter. I also do part-time blogging at Kids E-Connection. I would like to thank you for choosing my mom to be the most outstanding blogger of the year. I love that my mom can work at home and blog because she can also take care of me and my brother. I'm very, very proud of my mom. And blogging is one of her passions, so thank you for giving her this award. And before I go, I would like to show you my dog, Bolt, because I've been teaching him tricks lately. Come here, Bolt. Okay. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Lay down. Lay down. Come on, lay down. Good boy. Okay. Get up. 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 Okay. Get up. Get up. Okay. Up. Good boy. Up, up, up. Hold it, hold it. Yes. Good boy.
Okay.
Paalam po. Bye.